This video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension that is called Tennis Start. Tennis Start is a special extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. Actually, Tennis Start is a browser hijacker and a new tab replacer. Obviously, whenever you submit some search queries, you get the results often by some unwanted search engines that have not been chosen by users initially. Anyway, this is all happening because of this Tennis Start extension. If you are not happy with all these alterations into the way your browser operates, you should get rid of it. Access the menu, more tools, then extensions. So disable and remove this Tennis Start extension. Now, in order to be convinced that your computer is free of any other threats, consider researching it with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start carefully examining the system with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.